how to text people or send messages on TikTok. So today in this video I will be showing you how can you text people or send messages to your friends or people on TikTok. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. Now let's get started. So the first thing is you have to open up your TikTok application on your device and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the home page from where you will be able to explore to various TikTok videos. After that, in the lower section, you'll be able to see the various options like home, friends. You can create a video, inbox, and profile. So in order to send message, you have to go for inbox option, which is next to profile option at the right button corner, and you'll be able to see the notification as well as the inbox with your friends. Simply tap over the profile of the person for whom you want to send a message. After that, there is send a message option with the lower button. Simply tap over there and type the message that you want to send, and you can tap on send option with red color at the right hand side and it will be sent. But remember, for sending message, that person must be friend with you. That means the person must follow you and you also must follow the person, then only you will be able to send the message. This is how you send text message to the people on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.